Namaste. Welcome to the 30-day Carnatic revision challenge based on Sangeetha Balapadam Book 1. Over the next 30 days, we will revise everything from the Sarali Varisai to Nottuswaram, one step at a time. This challenge is not about learning new lessons. It's about revising, polishing and strengthening your foundation. We often move forward quickly, but consistent daily revision is what keeps our voice, shruti and rhythm strong. So, in this 30-day challenge, we will revise everything from Sarali Varisai to Nottuswaram, one short practice a day. But remember, this is not just for 30 days. Once you complete day 30, go right back to day 1 and start again. That way, this becomes your daily Carnatic practice routine, simple, structured and effective. Each day you will get a short guided video with my voiceover notation on screen. Whether you have 10 minutes or 30, this is your musical warm-up for the day. So, are you ready to begin? Comment below and tell me where you are joining from. I would love to know our global Carnatic family. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you can join me every day for 30 days and beyond. Let's begin our journey together tomorrow with day 1 Sarali Varisai first speed. See you inside the challenge.